Whoa, okay. AI in Excel. That's pretty wild.
Yeah.
Some of you listeners requested a deep dive into these AI-powered add-ins. And I got to say, I'm kind of stoked to jump into this.
Yeah.
We're going to look at how these things work and what it means for anyone using Excel regularly, like probably a lot of you.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
So from what I've been reading, it seems like Microsoft is really going all in on this.
Yeah.
Baking AI features right into Excel.
Yeah, they are.
Through these add-ins.
Yeah, this is like I think a much bigger trend,
Oh, yeah.
We're going to see AI becoming more and more a part of the software we use every day.
So it's not just about like robots taking over spreadsheets. It's more like robots making our spreadsheets way less of a headache.
Exactly. Yeah, like way more efficient.
Okay. I can get behind that. But what can these AI add-ins actually do? I mean, the possibilities seem kind of endless.
Yeah. Like imagine you're working on your budget right now. And instead of having to manually pull in all this data from different sources, an AI add-in could automatically categorize your expenses right from your bank statements and generate a whole report for you.
So you're talking about like hours of work saved.
Yeah, potentially hours of work saved. A lot of the tedious tasks that people spend a lot of time on could be totally automated.
So it's like having a super smart assistant who's just a whiz at Excel working right next to you. But what about analyzing that data?
Right. That's where I think it gets really interesting. So, let's say you have, years of sales data. An AI add-in could analyze all of that, identify trends, maybe seasonal trends that you hadn't even noticed.
Okay.
And then predict, future sales with a surprising degree of accuracy.
Okay, so that would be a total game changer, especially for like businesses. It's almost like having a crystal ball, but for spreadsheets.
Exactly.
I mean, this all sounds incredible, but it does make me wonder.
Yeah.
Are we all going to have to become like AI experts just to keep up with this stuff?
That's a really good question, but that's not the goal.
Okay.
The goal is to make this AI technology accessible regardless of anyone's technical background.
Okay.
They're designing these add-ins to be very user-friendly.
Phew, that's reassuring.
Yeah.
So to recap, it sounds like AI is coming to Excel, and it could potentially save us all a ton of time.
Yeah.
Uncover hidden insights, and even predict the future.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting.
And we don't even need a computer science degree.
Yeah, it's meant to be for everybody.
That's amazing.
So how do you think you might use this technology in your own work, maybe even your personal life? What kind of tasks do you think you could simplify? What insights are you hoping to uncover?
It's exciting to think about. There's a lot of potential there.
Definitely. The possibilities are really vast.
I can't wait to see where this all goes.
Yeah, me too.